What's up, trader? Welcome back to the Crypto Jobs Army. Today I will show you how to link your Cleo dashboard to Mubite, and you will be able to trade directly using Binance liquidity. So this is a UX that not all prop firm can offer you. So as I said, this is very easy, no need API key. Here I have 5 active accounts, the one I used for Bybit demo in the last video. You have also the one I used in the one-step mode with $100K. I'm currently performing $650, which is not bad. If you don't have any active account on Cleo, your first step will be to go here in Mubite website, click on dashboard, you go on challenge, and you click on the one you want to trade on. So if it's your first time using the Cleo dashboard and the Cleo website, no worries, you will receive your email and your password, your login access by email. You just have to create your first time password, and then you can enter your login, you log in. Once you are on the website, you should see your connected account. You see I had 5 challenges, so 1 for Mubite and 4 on Cleo, but I have only 2 connected, meaning that I have to activate them in the website. So you see, once you are in, as I said, I want to trade and I'm trading on this one. You click on view and this is magic. You are already connected in. So here on the left, you have access to the order panel, the position management, the account detail, and many more features. And at the bottom, you have access to all dashboard that you have on Binance or other major exchange. For example, you have your open position, your position history. As you can see, I started this challenge last week, I think. I'm currently performing $600, which is not bad. Remember, depending of the challenge, I can claim up to 90% payout. So are you ready to start to trade, guys? So in my case, as I already have a challenge account, I directly see the Mubite dashboard link to the Binance trading, to the Cleo account, as you can see. So this is inside the Mubite website. You can see your trading analytics, your statistics, your daily limit, daily loss, and all the calendar regarding your risk management and your own trading. So this is inside Mubite. You also have this kind of dashboard. And for users who have not access to their challenge again, so if it's your first time, you can go again here in this page, your challenge. Once you click on it, no worries, you will receive your account access by email. So inside the mail, you scroll down, you click on register on, you put your email, you create your password that you will use to log in to Cleo, and you should arrive to this page. So once you are on the connected account page, you should see all your activated challenge, meaning that here in my case, I see only 2 challenges out of 4, which are here. So you will understand, meaning that I activated 2 challenges and I have 2 others pending request in my email. So in the same way, when you do a challenge, go on your email to activate it. Once you are in, then you can click on view, and magically everything is ready to trade on. As I have already existing position, you see, I can directly start to trade. Of course, you have to respect the challenge rules. Again, here you can go on how it works to see each challenge rules. And this dashboard, remember, is using Binance liquidity. On the right, you have the order panel, the buy, the sell order, the market, the limit, and the stop price. So you can set up your stop loss and limit order here. Okay, you can choose many different features by distance, by percentage, by PNL, and more. So I will record a full video explaining all. Take care, because once you have an existing position, you have to close the order panel on the right, and you have to click on your open position management to go directly in your existing position to modify the correct parameters. So to avoid mistakes, please, if you are not sure, close it and you go on your open position and click on open position management directly on your dashboard here at the bottom. Also, you can see your current PNL. You can also share them. The future are really similar as many major exchanges. So that's why I also like Mubite, because we are not lost. We are aware of what we are doing. We can trade with a lot of liquidity, a lot of volume assets in the market, which is pretty cool for a prop firm. As you can see, nothing is complicated. You just have to log in with email and password on Cleo, and you can have access to Binance liquidities and the complete UX dashboard suitable for any traders. And for the last part, before we end this tutorial, I will show you how to claim your payout very easily. Remember that every position you trade here is linked to your challenge. So to claim your payout, you just click on Home on the Mubite website. You go on the left, you click on Payout, nothing complicated. You select your challenge and you can see that I have 570 withdrawable profit. So this is very good. You can also convert it to Mubite points to earn discount on challenge and many more features. And you can withdraw very fastly using bank transfer and crypto USDC using ERC20, so Ethereum address. That's it. I wish you good luck for your own trading. Also, all my content is fully free to join, so I'm waiting for you in my groups, guys. See you! And I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Remember that you can apply the code CryptoJobs to save 15% on any challenge you purchase.